Giraffe does not use a traditional skill ranking system where players move from beginner to expert levels. The app mainly tracks completed activities, rewards, and progress inside available offers. By the end, you'll understand what skill level means in Giraffe, how progress is measured, and how to improve your results when using the app. The main answer is that Giraffe skill is usually connected to how you complete activities, not a separate player ranking. The app rewards users for completing tasks through available offers, and each activity can have its own requirements. When you start a game or offer through Giraffe, the important details are usually the completion conditions. These may include reaching a certain point in a game, completing specific actions, or spending enough time using the activity. Your performance inside a game can affect how quickly you complete an offer. A player who understands the game mechanics may finish tasks more efficiently than someone who is learning the game for the first time. The best way to improve your results is to read the offer instructions before starting. Check exactly what action is required, how progress is tracked, and what needs to happen before the reward is credited. Another useful step is choosing activities that match your experience. If you already understand a certain type of game, you may find those offers easier to complete compared with unfamiliar games. Giraffe does not guarantee that higher gaming ability automatically creates higher rewards. Rewards depend on completing the specific requirements attached to each offer. Tracking your progress also helps. Keep notes about which activities you started, what goals you reached, and whether the reward appeared correctly after completion. If an offer does not track properly, check whether you followed all instructions. Common tracking issues can happen when users do not start through the correct app link, change devices, or fail to complete required steps. The key points are: Giraffe does not have a normal skill level ladder. Each offer has its own requirements, and understanding the task details helps you complete activities more effectively. The practical next step is to open your Giraffe offers, read the requirements before playing, and choose activities that match your gaming experience. If this helped you understand how Giraffe skill levels work, subscribe for more app guides, fixes, and reward app explanations.